Water this big plant. Right there, the chard. Yeah. Go ahead. Uh-oh. What happened? I got it. There you go. Good job, buddy. Alright, it's still a jungle out here.
Aren't that like can you water him? Can you water him? Can you water him?
This guy?
Yeah. Can I what? Mom! I want to water the plant.
Okay.
That's all I did.
End of the season garden tour. Got these freaking giant things growing. Be 20 with those. The roses, the cosmos got out of control. We got marigolds did real good. And a little gardener.
That's a waterfall.
Are you a gardener? The roses. I don't know what these are. The mint. The bees love the mint.
He got fire.
How's he on fire? He's in the water.
He got fire.
There's Grassy. Hey, Grassy.
I guess so. No, he got there. Oh, what?
This is what Jetty chose to do with his day. Play mud trucks.
She flipped over. It's going in. Wood.
Excuse me.
Hi.
He's under wood. He's in the wood. And
Does he need a bath?
Last time. Can you wash his wheel? Scroll skirt.
He's still kind of muddy.
Oh,
Is that better?
okay. He's going into the mud. I need a truck to help me. I need another truck.
You do?
Yeah, I need to go get one. I need to clean like that. And
You got?
I got cock in the makeup.
Is he here to save Thunder Roars?
Yeah.
Because Thunder Roars got stuck in the mud?
Yeah.
Oh.
He got it all. You want to play with the walls right here? Yeah. He did not get to bite me. He bite me. He got healed in the mud.
His shield got in the mud?
Yeah.
Oh no, does he need to be cleaned off?
Yeah.
Come to the cleaning station.
Let me clean off.
You're sitting on my hose. There you go. Clean him off at the cleaning station. His shield looks much cleaner.
It's cleaner?
Yeah.
The mud. He's in the mud again. I need Captain America. Huh? Was him stuck in the mud again?
Not again.
He is not in the mud again. Going into the mud again. He's so a big hat. Captain America when the driving the mud. He's driving it. I need underfoot. I need that push it here. Right here. I need some he need wash up.
Yeah, he does. He's really messy. Your foot is messy too. You're getting all wet.
No.
You're not. You look like you might be.
He's off. She's in the mud. Her in the mud. Her going in. He's going in. He's stuck together. He's coming to save him. I got him. He got mud. He got mud. He's driving into them. It's in the woods. It's in the woods. He's going into the mud. Captain America, he's gonna go here.
He's gonna get too muddy.
He got too muddy. I can push him. I push him out of the mud.
Good job.
I need to get him before it's a wheelie.
That's a cool wheelie.
He's wheeling in the mud. He needs help.
Captain America, help!
I don't see he's on his way. Push him. He's going into the mud. He's driving into. He needs to clean off.
Better clean him. What happened there? Well, that's gonna get your butt wet.
No.
Nope.
It's like a lava.
It's like a waterfall?
It's in the mud. He's coming this way. He's pushing him out. He's going in. He's driving into the mud. The board's quicksand. No.
Quicksand?
It's quicksand. And Underwood's got sick. He's coming in. I think he needs to wash off. I think he needs to wash off.
Just so he's soaking wet. He already is.
He's out in the mud.
Look at these marigolds. They smell so good.
Oh. He's gonna go. He's going to the mud. His feet suck. He's on his way. Captain America is saving under wood. I need he to wash off. He needs to wash off. He needs
Dirty little feet.
no.
You get all wet.
I need to wash off.
You want to go inside?
No. He's going. He's on his way. Huh?
This beautiful boy.
He's driving to the beach. He's really in. He's going in. I think Captain America is coming. He's coming to the west. Yeah. Let's go. He sucks. Huh? He bit over and he's let me try out.
You cold?
Make some water.
Water's not going to help you dry off.
He sucks. He's in He's coming to save you. He's saving you. Oh no, me. Push you out. Cut him out. Yeah? Under what? Suck. He's in the pool. He's in the pool. He's made to save him. In the watch. I need some suck. What happened? He's walking his way. You need to wash it off. It's all ready now.
Aren't you cold?
No,
You want to go inside?
no.
Alright, we're going inside when Daddy and Sister get here.
I want to sit back. Beep, 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 beep. He's on. He's going in to the Mars. He needs help. Number 2. I think Captain America is helping. He's helping under.